Hello everyone, I am Satyaprakash and today we will be doing arcade adventure that is cloud storage. Okay, let's start the lab first. Now go to your task 1. See, here it is written that open this link to gain the lab chat application access. Just copy over here the link that is our adventure application. Now go to your incognito mode that is to set in and paste over here a link. Now wait for a little bit of time. Let it open first. Now, over here, when it open on the incognito tab, it will show this type of interface, and then we have to copy this code. Let's copy this code first. Now let's go to this tab and just paste over here in incognito and submit it. Now, now see, you are an associate cloud engineer and got asked with massive data set. Let's say how you can store it. Let's say I choose here object storage and hierarchical namespace. Okay, let's say I handle the complexity and your data is now accessible now. Okay, let's go to assignment and assignment. Let's submit the assignment and hover over the normal tab. You will see the lab assignment code over here. Just copy it. Now just paste over here and submit. Now you will get a congratulations. Let's end the lab.